Okay, so I ate my breakfast and I'm just in my room now and I'm probably just gonna get dressed into something, but I don't know what to get dressed in. I was thinking maybe like tracksuit bottoms and like a hoodie, but like I don't know which one to wear, so I'm gonna like spend like 47 hours just looking for one, so I'll be right back. So I found this jorts that I found in my wardrobe, completely forgot I had them, and then this jumper that I got from Subdued the other week, and I'm gonna get ready into them now. This is the fit. Yeah, it's cute, I like it. Okay, but I need to make my bed because seriously, what is this? 3, 2, 1. Want to see a magic trick? Okay, close your eyes. Abracadabra. Open your eyes. Yep, I did that myself. Yeah. I'm going to study probably like French and Mandarin right now because yep. It's raining and my plans are not ruined, but it does kind of disrupt them a little bit because we had to carry the boxes from IKEA to the apartment. It's raining kind of like lashing, but in a very gentle way. So this is not really good, but it's fine.
J'ai fait semblant, je te jure. J'ai jamais dit non. J'ai pas fait semblant. Je te jure. J'ai jamais dit non.
I wasn't really too hungry, so I just kind of got their apple pie, and it looks really good. Okay, so it turns out the trolley that I wanted to get, I had to get it from upstairs, and I'm downstairs. I didn't realize. I thought you had to get it from like the room with all the boxes. So here I am, walking backwards to go get the trolley. But it's pink and it's cute, so it doesn't matter. Okay, after bumping into about 37 children and 24 trolleys, I'm finally back where I need to be. I just need to find it. Okay, so the beige one is in aisle 9, location 37. But this one didn't have that, so it turns out you do actually have to get it. You know, I'm done with this. I'm actually like done. So it turns out the pink one is out of stock, so this is exciting. But instead I'm gonna get the white one. Okay, so I'm finished. I just got like my bits and it was only like 120 euro, so yeah. Okay, so I'm back and I'm basically just gonna chill and then after build my desk. Okay, so I just finished everything. I'm going to the shops real quick and then I'm gonna organize something else and then I'll show you. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Okay, so I am finally finished everything. My desk is so nice. I'm so glad everything worked out perfectly fine. And also look at my jelly cat. Moment of appreciation, please. Okay, anyways, I'm so happy. Okay, so that's my desk right there. I think that is about it for today's vlog. I'm probably gonna study Mandarin now again, French, whatever, Korean, I don't know. I'm gonna enjoy my life on my desk now, probably be there for about 8 hours every day now. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's about it. Bye.